Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. So right now I am in a Park Square Homes community, and this fantastic looking home is the Pensacola. I like it. I like it. It's got a real on the beach type of feel to it while not being on it. I like it. 2,570 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 bathrooms, flex room, loft. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so I have not been inside this model yet, as you could probably tell. I don't like to spoil it for myself or the reaction I have for everyone else. Wow, beautiful. So you got this nice room over here to the right. I'm gonna kind of go over here, which is a bedroom. Oh, what a beautiful model. Now this community over here is full-time residential. So this is not short-term. What a fancy looking toilet. I like it. It's always amazing in these model homes how sometimes the toilet room has like nice things on the toilet tank, which is really something that you never see. This closet is massive, standing all the way in the corner. So you can see how much floor space we have over here. Beautiful closet. Just fantastic, look at that. What a great laundry room. Very nice, very nice. Let's get some light here. So here's your 2-car garage. You have your hot water heater over here. Hot water heater is also up on a platform, kind of interesting. Like there's a step-up platform. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like it's taking up some space where you could park.
When it all comes back to
wow, it's a beautiful kitchen.
And we know the community. We've walked in your shoes. We understand Central Florida and all that it offers.
I love Central Florida because we're just strategically located. We're in the heart of Florida. We go 1 hour east, we go 1 hour west, we go beaches. It's not just tourism, it's a culture of that too as well.
Beautiful, beautiful kitchen.
I think some very good places.
Extra large island. Let's check out the pantry.
Transportation system, everything is here.
Including your beautiful new Park Square home, the home of your dreams. Begin today and make that dream come true.
Okay, let's go up to the 2nd floor. boy, isn't this nice. I'm gonna go left. And let's take a peek at the closet. You have a bedroom. It looks like it's got its own bathroom. No, it's a Jack and Jill. Oh no, it's not Jack and Jill, excuse me. It's got its own bathroom, which appears to be shared. Here's the closet. Yeah, fantastic. Please check out my website at wintergardenew.com. We could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page if they are listed on the MLS. And please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you. And when you contact me first, before you contact any home builder, you won't void your paid for by the builder representation, which makes it free to you. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder, and what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you are 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because Home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy, give me a call, email, or text. Thank you. Okay everyone, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. So I'm turning into Aviana, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Aviana Resort. Okay, so to the left, as soon as you turn in, is the clubhouse. Unfortunately, there's a lot of cars, and there's a car behind me. Probably doesn't know that there's a speed bump here. Just want to give you a little showing of this area. A lot of construction going on, as you can see. Homes have been selling homes have been selling fast everywhere. Orlando, Kissimmee, Davenport, just ridiculous how fast they've been selling. If you're interested in a home over here or any place else, please do contact me first. I do not need to have a video of the community for me to be able to help you there. It seems to be a little bit of a misconception sometimes. I can help you anywhere, and actually in the state of Florida, as long as I feel like driving that far. Because Florida is a big state. So if you are interested in a home, please do contact me first. That way you don't void or lose your right to my representation for free, because the builder does pay for it. It does not cost you more, it does not increase the price, or any of those other misconceptions like you can get a discount if you pass on using my service as a realtor. They will not discount the price.